How to fix can't interact with certain accounts right now problem in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there are few reasons why you might have been facing this problem. Number 1 is you might have blocked the user and have forgotten about it. If you have blocked the user, you cannot contact them or see their information unless you unblock them. Next, the second party might have blocked you. If that is the case, you cannot view their profile or interact with them in any ways unless they unblock you. So sometimes this problem occurs even when you have knowingly or unknowingly violated some Instagram guidelines. So, if that is the case, simply um, go to Instagram support, tell them your problem, and rest is on Instagram support center. So, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.